Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a really nice lacy pattern suitable for summer top. As you can see here, this is the front side of the job and this is the back side. For the pattern we need to have multiple of 8 plus 5 plus 2 for 8. Let's get started. You can start to have any kind of rib you like, or what you can to do for the row 1, and we are going to do the setup row. Just pull all stitches. This one we consider as a setup row. Just pull all stitches. For row 1, what we have to do, we take the first one as the edge, then we need 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we are going to do yarn over and knit these 3 stitches together, yarn over again and knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do again by yarn over, knit 3 stitches together, yarn over and then knit the rest of the stitches. And last one as a edge. Row 2, we are going to pull all stitches. Make sure the one you have it like a yarn over, just do it like this to be visible. Then pull all the stitches until the end of the row. Row 3 is exactly like row 1. Take the first one, knit 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. When it comes to that part, we are going to yarn over, knit these 3 together, yarn over and knit 5, 3, 4, 5, like this. We are going to do one more time like this. It means we are going to make it 3 loops. It means 6 rows you have to knit. As you can see here, I already repeat 2 more pattern like row 1. It means, as you can see here, I have 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. Now we are in row 7. For row 7, it's time to change the position of this lacy pattern in the middle of that. What we have to do, we take the first one as the edge, knit 1, then yarn over and knit these 3 stitches together, yarn over and then knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again yarn over, knit 3 together, yarn over, knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more time, yarn over, knit together, yarn over. As you can see here, only 1 stitch left, knit 1 and the last one as a edge. We are going to repeat 3 times like that. We are going to have 12 rows. As you can see here, I am at the end of row 12, and this pattern is going to be repetition of 12 row. It means that in row 13 you are going to do the pattern exactly like row 1. After few rows, the pattern should look like that. But if you didn't start the knitting without any rib, you can make some edge you like. In this case, I can show you how to make a nice edge for your project. When you finish your job, and this is the edge of your project, what you have to do, you can take the yarn, start by chain 2, then in the same stitches make 2 or 3 double crochet based on the size of your yarn, like that. Then skip 1 2 3 chain and goes back to the next one, make a slip stitch like that, then chain 2 again and repeat in the same stitch, make 2 double crochet, skip 3 chain, 1 2 3 in the fourth one, insert the hook, make a slip stitch like this and repeat, chain 2 2 double crochet, skip 3 1 2 3 in the fourth one, make a slip stitch and repeat. If you do the same pattern at the end of the row, you are going to have a really nice edge. I will show you in the bigger one. I did it like this. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.